Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Sifiso Myeni uthe uMduduzi Shabalala akayi ku-AFCON ngeke ayirepresent iBafana Bafana, athi Kaizer Chiefs ayina chance yokuwina i-league ikhaphi i-Orlando Pirates. Wakhuluma kahle ngoVelebayi ukuthi uVelebayi udlala kahle, uyambona ukuthi uyarana, ufuna ukuyirepresenta ngempela i-Kaizer Chiefs. And then wakhuluma ngo-coach be-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ubani odeserve ukuba i-coach we-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, so qala ngoMduduzi Shabalala bafethu. So mechaza ukuthi laphana kuBafana Bafana i-competition inzima kakhulu for uMduduzi Shabalala. So even if yena bekawu-coach bekuzoba difficult ukuthi aselect uMduduzi Shabalala. Uthi yes uMduduzi Shabalala uperforma kahle kakhulu, but kusho ukuthi ngathi akekho enough ukuthi to make it to the AFCON squad because of i-team ekhona laphana or ama-player akhona. Ubalo oSiyanapolis aboMorema bomfukeng ngathi there's no way uShabalala bamselect laphana kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi bamselect for i-AFCON. Usho ukuthi khona ama-player enza kangcono compared to uShabalala. But acknowledge ukuthi wenza kahle in terms of ukuperforma ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke ukwenza kahle kwakhe kusho ukuthi akukho enough ukuthi bamrecognize internationally. Hugo Broos naye-ke uMyeni ubona kanjalo ukuthi Hugo Broos usho ukuthi alright, yabo. Uthe mina okay into efana engithusile kancane ayishilo ukuthi singamjaji uMduduzi Shabalala ngegame eyodwa kuphela. Guess what, uMduduzi Shabalala akadlala kaperformanga egemini eyodwa kuphela. We saw those goals nje kuphela la washayela u2+ nama-assist, but prior to that or previous games bedlala kahle kakhulu. That is why he was selected for iBafana Bafana. I didn't understand ukuthi bamdropa kanjani umuntu odlala kahle kangaka, but bamselecta aperforme less than the previous game. But kuwonke lawo ma-performance uthi hayi ngathi umfana akayideserve i-chance or akanayo i-chance ukuthi ayodlala laphana ku-AFCON, which is a big competition bafethu. If you wanna grow your what is this thing, a transfer value or market value, you have to play kuma-big tournaments. Mawungekho kuma-big tournaments kuba inkinga of the problem. But mawudlala kuma-big problems, mawudlala kuma-big competitions nama-scout lawa akubhekayo noma akubhekile ayakuvalue high because you're playing against the best teams on your continent. Asingeneni kule ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs uthi akusiya ama-title contenders. Uthi iKaizer Chiefs ikhaphi i-Orlando Pirates neMamelodi Sundowns. Uthi yena ama-teams awabona compete iMamelodi Sundowns ne-Orlando Pirates. Uthi Mamelodi Sundowns ikhona ku-race because they know how to win it, bayiwine kaningi. Orlando Pirates-ke kusho ukuthi ine-pedigree engcono ne-squad esingcono compared to amanye ama-team ukuthi i-compete for the biggest cup competition in South Africa, which is e-league. Chiefs-ke ayina chance. Uthi uyayibona nje idlala, but-ke uthe i-confusion ye-Chiefs izobuya from the fact that they're competing ku-continental level. Uthi njengoba bakuma-competition ayi-2 kwenza izinto zibe interesting, but kuba kuma-competitions ayi-2 for iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ne-squad lesabanaso, it's a good thing. I mean Mamelodi Sundowns iwine ka-8 kulandelana, but-ke bebadlala i-AFCON i-CAF every season. So I mean there's no excuse for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ingacompete. Siyazi ukuthi maybe into engaba-stop ama-injuries, but so far so good. I mean they are competing right now. If i-league ingaphela manje at least baku-top 3 sengiyasho nje, but-ke only time will tell. I mean 19 games to go for iKaizer Chiefs. I mean they have to take it one game at the time. I-league is there for the taking, to be fair, as long as they bury their opportunities bangakwazi ukucompete. Bangakwazi ukucompete, asisho ukuthi bazoyithatha yabo, but ucompete they are there. They have a squad size, squad esikhulu, they have abantu aba-well equipped ukuthi bangakwazi ukubaphusha for i-league. So I disagree with him, but asingeneni kule yaka-coach. Asiqaleni ngale kaVelebayi. Le kaVelebayi uthe uVelebayi u-hungry. I think ngiya-paraphrase by the way. Uthe uVelebayi udlale kahle kakhulu, uzibonakalisile kule game le ukuthi he was running up and down, everything was playing for his life laphana kule game le. Yibo abadlali-ke abafuna, I think ngibuyisele kule moment la kaVelebayi. uVelebayi ubonisile ukuthi u-hungry when is given an opportunity to play. Uyambona ukuthi akakabi sharp ku-pick off his game, but guess what, lama minutes awatholile ukuthi bamqalise igame adlale laphana. Ubonisile ko-coach waba-prove ukuthi coach ngabe ningibize kudala lana bafethu, i-energy yakhe ayilethile laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, ulethe energy serious ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukucompete for izinto. Nalapha kule position yabo ubanika i-headache yokuthi Sekunama-player-ke a-different azobabanga i-position, which is not gonna be easy because abanye abantu bese bafila entitled to i-position. Bowubona even nama-performances wabo bawangekho at the peak because bayazi ukuthi isikhathi esiningi bazodlala, but kuvele uletha i-competition e-different for laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi wonke umuntu onikwa i-opportunity akwazi ukuperforma because i-competition i-tough ngempela. Nomfundo Vilakazi nangu uphakamise isandla sakhe ku-right wing. It's gonna be very competitive, kuzoba nzima for abadlali abaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because manje it's not a given, bayazi ukuthi even nasebhenchini banawo ama-options ukuthi ovele bazongena balwe and be willing to die for the team, whereas abanye abantu, those who don't wanna give it all for the team, they'll be left behind because i-team idinga wonke umuntu ukuthi a-compete and give everything. But-ke yeah, iligi inde, isizini inde, sobona ukuthi uvele ukuthi uzophefoma kanjani, but-ke so far so good cause uma ngikhuluma ngayo ngikhuluma ngendaba ukuthi uyacross, uyawashaya ama-cross, so it's a good thing ukuthi taking players on kune-end product ukuthi uyacrossa. Once langena ebhokisini ibhola, you never know what will happen, yabo. So mekhuluma ngecoach-ke uthi umuntu odeserve ukuba i-head coach laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric Keza. Uthi uCedric Keza is more visible laphana ku-technical team or ebhentshini, uyambona elena lena vocal and trying to solve izinto, whereas uBen Yusuf yena kuyapholela nje lapha. He's more calm compared to uCedric Keza, and akusiwuye kuphela uthi uCedric Keza udeserve ukuba i-head coach because I saw something because of uCedric Keza ngithi watshela ama-journalist laphana ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs uyathembisa ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izoqualifya for ama-group stages. Mase waqualifyile ama-group stages, waya kuma-same journalist futhi washo ukuthi I told you ukuthi so-qualifya, we qualified. So ucoach onama-promises, that bravado persona yakhe, well, it doesn't have the bravado persona that much, but-ke leyo nto leyo ukuthi abe nayo i-confidence yokuthi akwazi ukutshela ama-journalist, but watshela ama-journalist because bekazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi if they didn't qualify for ama-group stages umsebenzi wabo bowuphelile, so bokuyi-do or die for bona, to be fair. But yeah, uSitshilo noSifiso Myeni ukuthi le ndaba yabo leya ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ba-qualify for ama-group stages izobanika i-confidence laphana ethimini. Yes, I agree for kuleyo nto leyo bafethu ukuthi izobanika i-confidence nanokuthi ama-player amaningi amisele cause manje seba-ede +6 games kulamagame lawa abazowadlala locally, or kusasene-Nedbank Cup futhi abazowadlala locally, so uzoblaza namagame awu-6 lawa ku-continental level kuma-group stages nje kuphela. If bayakwazi ukuphumelela futhi kulawo magame lawo, it means that they'll add more games kuma-knockout stages if baya-advance to ama-knockout stages, meaning that ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs amaningi azoyithola i-game time because khona bazophazamiseka along the way. So bona ukuthi laba abangakadlali at the moment, when they are given an opportunity to play, bazokwazi ukumisa kanjani, ukuwubamba aqine, noma bazovele nje bangabi serious cause khona ama-player anikwa i-opportunity akarealize umuntu wakhona ukuthi i-opportunity enkulu le ayitholayo, but uyithatha for granted. By the time seyihambile angaphinde ayithole uthi akanikwanga i-opportunity, kanti no, sometimes you only get one opportunity even if uthola 10 minutes, but i-work rate yakho kumele ibe at the peak, ukubonisa ngempela ukuthi you've been studying the game from the stands or from the bench, finally you're ready to play and be willing to die for the team. Kufuneka ama-player afana novele baye kuma-big team, when you are given an opportunity to play, just go all out. In fact, like there's nothing to lose, to be fair, to be honest. So whenever one is given an opportunity to play to represent Kaizer Chiefs, you go all out, you don't hold back, ngoba kungaba i-opportunity yakho yokuqala eyokugcina. So far vele bayu-impressile. And then I want to go to something that I saw, but I want to take people back kancane. uBobby Motaung, one of the leaders laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi uke wathini laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or mekhuluma laphana ne-media when Kaizer Chiefs was not doing well, inenkinga, wa-explain ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ingabuya kanjani laphana at the top ukuthi compete for izinto and everything laphana on offer. Nawo amagama akhe yeah, nawo amagama kaBobo. Wathi i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga i-leader elizoba nesineke, libe patient, lidevelophe, li-inspire ama-coaches, ama-player and give people opportunities, usho kanjalo. Uthi akusumlingo lento lena, uthi it's not that he's not pressing the button, that whoever we sign for the team must perform. It's about planning, it's about replanning. Uthi the success of the brand has been there for years because of rebuilding or rebranding, rebuilding, refocusing, changing and changing and facing challenges. And I think that's what makes him unique, because he has been through it all. So okay, asibambe ngale statement lezi. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs idinga i-leader elizoba patient, elizokwazi ukudevelopa, li-inspire ucoach, ama-players and everyone around. Ubani lelo leader lelo? Kusho ukuthi i-sporting director uKaizer Motaung Junior at the moment uye i-leader elikhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs, right, ngaphansi kwa-chairman or bakhona abanye. Because if uye i-sporting director kumele a-inspire wonke umuntu ungaphansi kwakhe isikhathi esiningi. So kumele a-make sure ukuthi inspire bonke abantu, abe patient, and then kusho ukuthi a-make sure ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibuyela lena esicongweni. Is he a man well equipped to lead the-Kaizer Chiefs? Well, he played the game, he understands the game, he understands ama-fans, understands the buzz, understand izinto eziningi abantu abaningi abanga-understand laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So angakwazi uku-inspire i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke yena uzo-account-a kubani if akadeliver, if i-team ayideliver uzo-account-a kubani? That's the thing. Kumele yizo izinto ey'ncane lezi kumele ebheke ukuthi okay, so he's the leader, fine, and then if izinto azisebenzi yena u-account-a kubani, noma ubani okumele amtshele, ahlale naye phansi ukuthi okay, uyageja lana la, cause ubabakhe semdala bafowethu, ayikho into azoyingena, to be honest. Seshiye nje Kaizer Chiefs ezandleni zabo. Are they ready? Only time will tell. Cela ukuzibamba la. Danko bafowethu. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, sibeke sure ukuthi siyalikhulisa ipage liba independent.